Hey guys, just wanted to talk real quick about a mod I did on my Kia Forte that I'm pretty happy with actually. I've got a Kia Forte SX 2015. That's the 1.6 GDI Turbo. So what I did, went to AutoZone and picked up one of these K&N filters here. I'll let you see. Hopefully you can see that. Zoom in here. The 3-inch clamped flange, that's the one you want. It's a direct bolt in. Just take the top of the airbox off, take the old filter out, and this K&N filter actually sits right down in the original spot there for the air filter. It sits kind of in the bottom half of the airbox. So I'll walk out here and I'll actually just show you what it looks like on the car, and then we'll drive it and see what it sounds like. So to show you here what we did, guys. This is the filter installed in the car. Once you get the hood open, obviously first step, you'll have a full housing here for the airbox. The top half is gone. If I zoom in right here, you can see this little clip and this little clip, and then there's a little slot that the top of the airbox will slide into, and then obviously at the very top it'll slide into the intake hose here. What you're going to want to do is pull these two clips back off the original airbox and then loosen this screw. Once you've loosened it off enough, the top half of the airbox will simply kind of slide to the right and up, and you're out, and there'll be a paper filter in there if your car's got the factory air filter still. Toss that. Then this 3x6x6 K&N, $50 at AutoZone, is going to fit right into that hose, the intake hose there. The screw's going to clamp it right on down. It's not going anywhere. I do want to kind of find maybe a bracket or something just to keep it from jostling around too much in there. I don't want to come loose, obviously. And again, here's my car. This is the blue. Don't mind it being dirty. But yeah, so let's see what it sounds like. Alright guys, got the car out. Got it warmed up. Obviously you don't want to be messing around with wide open throttle or anything on a cold engine, especially on a turbo engine. So get your car warmed up before you act too crazy in it. So when I first bought this car, one of my biggest complaints was over I used to have a GXP turbocharged Pontiac Solstice, and that car just made awesome turbo sounds. I love the sound of a Turbo 4, especially that's making decent boost. And the Solstice had it, and maybe it was because of the convertible top, but this car just has never had the sound. And I couldn't quite figure out why. You know, I had thought about putting on a blow-off valve and all this piping, and that was going to be quite expensive, you know, $300–400 for a pre-made prefab kit that would just bolt right on. But you do not need to do that. If you're looking for that extra turbo sound, all you need to do is put on this K&N filter. I'm telling you, this thing sounds amazing. So I've got the automatic car here, so we can give it a little gas here, and you'll be able to tell right away that this car is making a lot more noise than the stock intake. I do have the windows down here. Hopefully it's not too windy for everyone. Let's take a right turn here and see. We'll get on it just a little bit. Plenty of traffic on the way. Alright, should be a good little test here. You can hear the bypass valve and everything. Sounds great. So $50 AutoZone. Get your car sounding like a turbo car should sound like. Thanks everyone. A couple more little pulls here for you guys. No traffic. sounds great. It's absolutely great.